Structures that need to be inspected are often in remote and hazardous places. Rope access equipment is often required to reach these locations. Examples include wind turbine towers and blades, offshore platform supports, bridge structural connections, and large vessels and tanks. The primary concern of a rope access technician is safety. In addition to standard industrial protective equipment, operators must also use harnesses, ropes, cables, and other specialized equipment to securely ascend to and descend from their work areas. The highly portable EPOCH 6LT flaw detector is specifically designed to excel in rope access applications. The EPOCH 6LT flaw detector, at less than 2 pounds, fits easily and conveniently in with the other gear technicians need to transport to the job site. With the EPOCH 6LT flaw detector, rope access technicians no longer have to compromise ergonomics for functionality. The instrument's hand grip design facilitates comfortable, continuous operation for extended periods of time, with less wrist and arm fatigue. The adjustable hand strap and simplified keypad can accommodate bare-handed or gloved operation. The intuitive, icon-based software interface enables easy material calibration and instrument configuration prior to arriving at the inspection site. Rope access inspections begin with the technician securing all necessary harnesses and equipment. The main harness connection point is typically in the technician's chest area, eliminating the possibility of attaching a flaw detector using a traditional chest harness. Since the technician will need both hands to safely ascend, descend, and maneuver, continuously holding the flaw detector is not an option. The EPOCH 6LT flaw detector's rope access accessory kit allows users to secure the instrument in its main case with 4 points of connection. The case is then easily secured to a leg strap and attached to the leg in a portrait orientation. While suspended in a harness, the operator is in a sitting position. With the instrument secured to the leg, the screen is now in an ideal viewing position. The instrument automatically rotates the display to portrait mode to match the alignment of the case. During the inspection, the operator may need to use either hand to help ensure safety. With the flaw detector secured in portrait mode, the knob and user keys are easily accessible without obscuring visibility to the display for adjustments to gain, gates, and other common inspection controls. When the inspection is finished, it's easy to quickly save and store data on the instrument. Designed with rope access in mind, the EPOCH 6LT flaw detector is optimized for true hands-free operation, so technicians can focus on what's most important: safety.